This video presents 3 methods of choice to tie the 8-2 alpha knot for the surgeon's preference. Method 1. This is the basic and original method of knot tying. The loops are tied before inserting the post limb, which is now left alone. Firstly, make an overhand loop at the position where we want to place the knot in the loop limb. Then turn up the right lower part of the loop diagonally. The result will be 2 connecting loops of a horizontal figure of 8, with the main strand and the tail joining the crossing part of the loops. Fold the right loop back around this crossing part towards the left loop to form a stack of 2 loops. The main strand will now be on the right side. Insert the post limb from the front into the loops. Pull both limbs lightly to set the loops, which will now transform into a figure of 8 slip knot wrapping around the post. Pull the post to deliver the slip knot down towards the target. Pass point the post along the post limb side or the left side of the knot, but be careful not to twist the strands distal to the knot. Briefly relax the post and at the same time tightly pull the loops. Repeat these actions a few cycles and along alternating sides of the knot. The knot will usually flip with a sense of jerking. The both suture limbs will intertwine into an interlocking knot, giving a strong primary knot security. This is easily demonstrated by taking the suture off from the tying post. The knot will not slip anymore by simultaneously pulling the both limbs. Method 2. This is an alternative way to form the stack of 2 loops by firstly grasp and hold the loop limb in the right hand with the index finger and the thumb extended. Swing the index finger clockwise to hook the loop strand half round and use the thumb to retract the main strand. Turn the loop tail up over the dorsum of the thumb, pass it between the thumb and the index finger, and then throw over the main strand. Adjust the suture so that the hand is grasping the loop tail that is now overpassing the crossing part of the connecting loops between the thumb and the index finger. Take the loops off from the 2 digits and fold back to form the stack of 2 loops and proceed the rest as in method 1. Method 3. This is tied by wrapping the loop around the post by firstly holding the loop limb over the post with the left thumb, index, and long fingers. Throw an overhand loop around both limbs. Then throw another overhand loop around only the post limb. Wrap the suture over and around the loop limb and then pass it from beneath into the triangle formed by the previous loops and the post limb. When pulling the post limb, the knot will readjust itself into a figure of 8 pattern wrapping around the post limb. The remaining process will be the same as described before.